Bienvenidos a nuestro canal. Yo soy Pablo. And we are Familia Pablanu.
There's the outside of the compound of our Airbnb. You can see very nice, very spacious, and the kids are just running around, and you can come over here to see the nice. Oh, I think that's sugarcane.
Qué rápido, Tulio.
Anyway, it's really nice, so beautiful, really spacious, and the side and the back of the Airbnb in Entebbe. We have all our stuff in here, so that's why it looks a little messed up. But it's a really, really beautiful house. We're feasting over here with lots of fruit. Ooh, fresa, yada. Wow, a lot of it. They left the brothers those for us. What is that?
I've never seen a mango this big.
They asked me if I want big mango, and I said no, I want small, and it was slightly smaller. I'm like, okay, give me this one then. All these fruits we've been feasting on them.
These kind of banana, these
Yeah.
kind of banana, they're also.
And there's more in here, and there's a lot more there. And it's a very spacious kitchen, as you can see. It's just very open. It's very open. Yeah, let me go ahead and show it. I can do another one tomorrow, but. Oh, okay. Bella's knocked out. Wait, there's one downstairs. Oh, beautiful shower. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see. What's in here? Oh, wow. Wow, it's beautiful. Now let's go to the next one. Oh my goodness. This is for the kids, I suppose. Beautiful too. Now, let's keep going. I think there's more. Oh my goodness, I think if we go upstairs, there's more upstairs. Let's go right and see what we can find. Oh my gosh, this is a big holy smokes. Oh my gosh. This is just sitting in here. There's a big old jacuzzi here. Ah. Oh my gosh, there's a walk-in closet in here. And we just arrived freshly. Very tired, and that's the shower. It's huge. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, guys. This is the main bedroom, and it's got a main bathroom with a jacuzzi and a walk-in closet. It's amazing. It's got a little space here if you want to go sit there and eat. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And there's more. I think there's more. I think there's another shower in here and bathroom. Oh, I think that leads to, oh, there's an outside patio. And I think this is another bedroom. Oh, it's also just as big. It's really spacious, really big. This is really beautiful. Now, this is Uganda, guys. This is Uganda. Now, I think I got everything. Oh my gosh, it's huge. This house is big. Anyways, let's go downstairs. Yeah, this is Uganda.